Hello, my dear friend. Thank you for watching Creativity by CAD. I'm Ravindra Gupta, and today I am going to show you how to make glass window in Autocad. So let's get started. Here I am going to draw a rectangle of length 1250 by 1050. Now I am going to draw perpendicular to this rectangle uh, and again offset of this line by 25 15 units here and here. Delete midpoint and let's draw a rectangle from this point to this point. Take offset of this by 100 units, offset by 100 units. Again take offset of 50 units. Mirror this from this point, so you can see here window almost created. Again take a arch. I'm going to draw arch of 2 start and end radius. So this is start and this is end, and radius 625 units. Take mirror of this here. Yes. Again take offset of this 100 units. Again take offset of this 300 units. Now draw a line from the top of this and here. Take offset of this 25 units from left and right both. Delete this. Take array of this polar array from the here midpoint and non-associative use and 12. Enter. So this sum of part which is not required, I'm going to delete. This is not required. This also is also not required. This also, and this also. So you can see how we can make a glass window in AutoCAD. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching Creativity with CAD. Please do like and share, and also write your comments in comment box. Thank you.